Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn sending a basic email plain text using the Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we are using the library that is smtplib. Okay, so let's see how we can do that one. So let's copy this and run. Then I will explain each and everything. Okay. So here we go with our code base. Let's add it. Okay, hide this. Here we are using the Gmail SMTP, right? You can use anything. Okay, so here we require your sender email. So sender email would be anything. So let's see test at the rate gmail.com and the recipient. So let's me go and just get the email of this one. Recipient for I want to receive on that email. Okay, your password, okay, this is email credentials, I suppose. O- Not email credentials, sender email and their password. Receiver email is different, so here I need to go with the we have to let's create this one. So let me go to the account and create credentials for that one. We have to go to the security, and here we have to go with two-step verification, and I think in there and the bottom of it app passwords already one is generated. Let's create the one that is test2, and I'm going to use that one, create, and this is my app password which I'm going to use it. This credentials we have to secure it, so you can use the env file environment variables. Currently I'm not using, and the next one we can use it. Okay, so this is that one. Sender email, let's make it to something else, that is Magento developer. Magento develop, no, Magento. Let's make a temp mail for that. Just copy this, I'm going to use that. Okay, this is a test email from the send Python. MIME type, create an email message from to and the subject. Attach the email body as a plain text. Okay, send the mail. Establish a secure session with the Gmail's outgoing SMTP server using TLS, and this is our port. Okay, secure the connection with the TLS and login sender email and the password. Sender email is correct. Yes. No. Sender email would be like this because these are the credentials, right? So this would be that one. The credentials with the password. This is a receiver email. That should be the this. I just mistake over there. Okay. Okay, this is done. Sender email, receiver, and the message. Because here, when we try to log in, so we require the credentials of the password from that email. So sender email and the password. Send the email, and if sent, then print the message that email sent successfully. If something goes wrong, then print the exception, and finally close the connection. Save it. Let's run it. Hopefully, it will work. And email sent. Right. Let's have a look. This email will come test email from this one, right? And this is our plain text. This is the test email sent from the Python. Okay, successfully we have done that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.